Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you my airsoft pistol, the P99 airsoft pistol, my Walther. The reason why this thing is broke off because this thing came with a silencer, and somehow the thing broke off, and the little part of it, like right there, like broke off with the silencer. I am being able to like use the gun normally. I'm using like these weird BBs I got from Academy. The colored ones I got from a flea market. But the green things are okay. Just that the BB gun is not loaded, so like that. And this part also broke off, which was like a weird leggy thingy. It showed if the gun was loaded or not. Like for instance, like that. So if it has not that red thing right there, it's not loaded. And if it's loaded, it will show up with this. Also this little locking thing. It came with two, but the other one broke off. And there's the silencer. I mean, not the silencer, the safety switch. It's locked. No, it isn't. See? I'm not sure why would it do that. I'm not sure why. So that's my review on my airsoft pistol. If anyone wants to like send me like an airsoft pistol that's like costs like a lot of money, I will review that pistol like a gun or something like an airsoft rifle, sniper rifle, whatever. I will make a review for that gun, and I'll show it to you, and I'll give a shout out to whoever gave me the guns. So thanks for watching, and see you later.